Hello everyone, myself Rupa Vaddi from Basveshwara Engineering College, Bagalkot. This video is all about final project submission of Embedded System Internship offered by EMERTXE Information Technology. The topics covered during this internship. First one, Introduction to C Programming. In this, we have seen how powerful and efficient and flexible the C programming is as compared to other programming languages. And we have also learned the important characteristic of a C programming languages. In this, we have seen different types of data types. There are mainly two types of data types. One is integral, another one is floating. In integral, again we have two types. One is character type, another one is integer. In floating point also we have two types, float and double. We have also seen the data representation, means how to represent the bits, byte, word in an programming. Next, conditional constructs. There are mainly two types of conditional constructs. One is single iteration, another one is multi-iteration. In single iteration we have two types, if and its family. Another one is switch case. In multi-iteration there are three types, for, while and do while. We have also seen some examples and flowchart of the different types of conditional constructs. Operators. We have seen the different types of operators like arithmetic operator, logical, relational, assignment, bitwise left shift, bitwise right shift, size of, ternary. Arrays. In arrays we have learned the advantages of arrays, where to use the arrays. And we have also seen some examples on the arrays. Strings. In strings, we learned about the size of a string and different library functions used in the strings. Pointers. In pointers, we have learned about where and how to use these pointers. Functions. In function, we learnt about how to write the function, how to call the function, what are the advantages and disadvantages of function. We have also seen some examples on recursive function. Storage classes. In this we seen memory segments, text segments, data segments. We have also gone through the different storage classes like auto storage classes, registry, static local, static global external, preprocessor. In this we learned mainly about header files. Why there is a need to include hash include in the programming, the purpose of header file, and difference between header files and source file, that is difference between dot.
Hello everyone, I am Nag Prasad, 7th semester Electrical and Electronics Engineering student of Basveshwar Engineering College, Bagalkot. My teammate Rupa Vatin has given a presentation about what we have gained valuable knowledge during the internship in the area of C programming. Here onwards, I will be giving a presentation on Introduction to Embedded System, Fixing Lab, and Interfacing Components, Interrupts and Timers. So, in this project, we are simulating the microwave oven. For that, we need to understand that what is microwave oven. Microwave oven is a home appliance which is used to heat the food using the microwave radiation. In the microwave oven, generally there are four modes. One is micro mode, another one is grill mode, another one is convection mode, and lastly start mode. In micro mode, It is used to cook food in a traditional way. It uses 900 watt of power. The maximum time set for cooking is 60 minutes. We can't extend the time beyond 60 minutes. In grill mode, it is works as the micro mode, but the purpose is to cook the meat and bread, and the user can set time as per his cooking requirements. In third one, it is a convection mode. In this mode, user can set a oven to preheat for a particular temperature. It takes 3 minutes for preheating. After heating, it is done, the user can set the time as per the requirement. In preheating, the what user has set the temperature, it will be reached that temperature, and for reaching that temperature, it takes 3 minutes time. Start mode is to start the function by the user. Embedded system. Embedded system is a combination of hardware and software which is used to do a specific task, can be called as an embedded system. There are four types in the embedded system: standalone system, real-time system, network system, and mobile system. Combining all of these, there is another category, that is hybrid embedded system. It is a block diagram of embedded system. In the embedded system, the main part is the microcontroller, or a system on chip, or a microprocessor. Based upon the application and client requirement, we choose the any one of the these chips. For giving the input, we use the sensors. The sensors output can be analog or digital. For that only, if we use the digital input, we will give the direct data to the processor to process or perform the arithmetic or operations on the given data. For analog sensors, we use the ADC, which will convert the analog signals into digital signals. Then it will fed the uh, data to the processor. And there is a human interfaces. Human interfaces can be a touch screen or the matrix button keypad. There is a diagnostic port which will monitor the health of the embedded system. There is a memory for storing the data as well as for the purpose of RAM. And there is the auxiliary system which is for supplying the power and the cooling of the CPU. And embedded system requires the software so that it will do the specific task. There are four types of embedded systems. The type one is the standalone system. A standalone embedded system is a type of computing device that is designed for a do specific task, and it operates independently without need for a constant human intervention. And in this standalone system, there are two types: a slave and the independent. The slave system requires a user inputs so that do its specific task. For independent standalone system, it is fully automatic. Example is the fully automatic washing machine. Real-time system. Real-time system is a type of embedded system computing this system designed to execute the specific task or function within the time constraints. Example, airbag. In the airbag, there is no time for there are no time for delaying or the for errors. It has to open as soon as possible. The car hits the another car or any object. So it is crucial. That's only we use the real-time embedded system in the airbags. Network embedded system. In a embedded system which is connected to internet, that is called a network embedded system. Example, a home security system. A mobile embedded system. A system can be movable, which is called the mobile embedded system. Example is car. In car, we use the ECU, which is act as the mobile embedded system. For simulation of this project, we are using the PixSimLab software. In the PixSimLab software, we are using the PIC16F877A microcontroller. It has general pin input and output for connecting the input and output devices, and it runs on the I2C communication protocol to communicate with the external peripherals. It has the inbuilt LM35 temperature sensor. It has the analog to digital conversion, and it has the RS232 for the serial communication, and it has LEDs. It has the buzzer, and it has the digital keypad also. For the storage, it has SSD, and it has the matrix keypad for the giving the input. To seeing the output, we have the LCD display. It has the 16 cross 4 LCD screen. There are 14 input matrix keypad. There are 16 LEDs for the seeing the output. It has the fan so that we can see the whether the program is running or not. And it has the PIC 16F877A microcontroller on it. I thank MRC for the giving me opportunity as an intern. Here onwards, my teammate Satish Yallur will be continuing this presentation to explain the code and working of the microwave oven simulation.
Hello everyone, I am Satish. I am final year electrical engineering student in KLIT Hubli. Here I will be discussing about microwave oven project which is built under EMERTXE embedded system online internship. For this project we are using some software applications like MPLAB XID for coding purpose, and we are using XE8 compiler to compile the code which we are written. Then we are using PixSimLab simulator to simulate our project. This is this is the MPLAB X IDE. This is our program we have written for micro project. To avoid confusions, we have created multiple .c files and .h files. Our program is already completed. We need to create hex file. To create hex file, we need to go here and build this program. After building, it will show. We can check here. It will build the hex file. After that, we need to load it in simulator. This is the simulator we are using for simulation, that is PixSimLab. Here we are using PIC 16F877A microcontroller that is interfaced with multiple components like a CLCD 16 into 4 dimension and a matrix keypad, fan, buzzer, and etc. Here we can load the X file. After loading X file, it will show powering on microwave oven. Here we can see 4 modes. To select those modes, we need to press related keys. To select micro, we need to press 1. Here I am pressing 1, and we entering into this mode. It will show the option for setting time. Here we can set up to 60 minutes. Here I am setting 12 minutes, 12 seconds, 22 minutes. To clear this, if I enter wrong time, to clear that we need to press star key. We can adjust that. To enter the time, we need to press hash key. Here we can see start, pause, stop. If I need to pause, I need to press Y. After completion of time, it will buzz and stops the fan. Same as the grill is also same as micro mode. Here we can see if I set 10 seconds, enter. By pressing 5 we can pause it, and we can start this by pressing 4. If I want to come out of this mode, we need to press 6. We come out of this mode. After that, here is 3 convection mode. We need to set temperature here. I am setting 50. This is preheating time. It is starts from 30 seconds because we are set at that in program. We need to wait for 30 seconds. After completion of time, it will buzz and gives us two option to set the time. Again, we can set here to come out this. Can press 6. It will stop and buzzes. And last one is start mode. If we press this, it will start from 30 seconds. Can stop it by pressing 6. So this is our project. I think I am done with my presentation. Thank you.